Hello grammarians, I'm Danish. Today we're gonna talk about modal verbs, which also known as helper verbs. These are verbs that have special properties and help other verbs. But what is modality? Modality is when we use this verb to express condition on stuff. So we can use this verb to determine if something is possibility to happen or certain to have happened, or whether or not we have ability to do something, whether or not we have permission to do something or requesting something, and whether or not we have the obligation or requirement or need to do something. We already know all these verbs, I promise you. You just didn't know this name for them. Let's meet the models. Here we go. May, might, must, can, could, shall, should, will, and would. And the rule for using the modal verb is easy. First, use the modal verb as is, and second, use the base form of the verb after a modal. Don't use to. And the application of the modal verb in possibility, we can use may, might, could, and can. So as example, it's snowing, so it might be very cool outside. Hence, next example, this product might be useful for you. And for the request, modals are different from normal verbs as they can make question by inversion. So as example, she can go become can she go. Next example is we can swim in the lake become can we swim in the lake. So that's all from me. Next I will pass to Zarif.
Thank you, Danish. So from here, I will continue the example. Okay, firstly, I will talk about ability, which is we can use can and could to talk about skill or ability. For the example, she can speak 6 languages, and another one is my grandfather could play golf very well. Alright, we continue with another example, which is obligation and advice. We can use verbs such as must or should to say when something is necessary or unnecessary, or to give some advice. For example, children must do their homework, and another one is we have to wear a uniform at work. Alright, we continue with the next example. Habits. We can use will and would to talk about habits or things we usually do or did in the past. For example, when I lived in Italy, we would often eat in the restaurant next to my flat. Alright, that's all from us. Thank you.